informative tour. We learned and saw a lot about Pape'ete and its history. Christian is a wonderful guide. I appreciated our guide, Christian, for his insightful and honest conversations about Tahiti's history and society today. It served as an excellent introduction to French Polynesia. Great experience, in a short time lots of info and history from a Tahitian perspective. Definitely worth your time and money. Christian is great guide. Christian is an excellent guide. He is knowledgeable, interesting and taught us so much about Tahiti and her history. He took us to interesting places based on our wishes, and gave us wonderful facts about the history and also about today in Pape'ete. This is definitely a tour to get you started when you come to Tahiti. I thoroughly enjoyed this tour. Christian was knowledgeable in sharing historical and current events. I highly recommend this tour with Christian. Excellent tour packed with history and historical locations. We really enjoyed our time and walked through the city. Christian was very friendly, courteous and informative. We thoroughly enjoyed our walk around the town. Christian was a great tour guide. I learned a lot about the town itself and where to eat and shop. Parking is a bit difficult to find around the tourist office meeting point because some streets are pedestrian only. Guide Christian gives you an authentic perspective of Tahiti's past and present, that you will not get from a book. He also shares fascinating details of his family's history. Highly recommended. Christian was a great guide, sharing lots of history and current information. We especially appreciated his sharing family stories about Pape'ete. We greatly enjoyed our walking tour of Pape'ete guided by Christian. He provided valuable history and culture of Tahiti and other islands throughout many eras that enhanced our knowledge and understanding of French Polynesia. As well, he was personable and solicitous. I certainly recommend this tour especially as an introduction to this beautiful area of the world. We had a great time with Christian, a great way to learn history and get grounded before visiting and being tourists around the island. We luckily scored a private tour and Christian was very accommodating of our two young children, traveling mostly in a wagon unless they insisted on walking, even offering to carry the baby and helping them not run into traffic many times. He customized the tour to our interests and also answered all the questions we had. He truly went above and beyond, ending the tour at a playground and then helping my husband move his car from the city to closer to the gardens, playground. We learned a lot about Tahiti. We also went at 4 p.m. which ended up being a great time for a family with young children to go because the streets were empty and we could really take our time and didn't feel like we are in the way. It also was a bit cooler.